Intro. What if I told you that the AI you're using today for free could become a luxury product in just a few years? Right now, millions of people rely on AI every single day. Students use it to study, developers use it to write code, businesses use it to automate work, content creators use it to generate ideas, scripts, and even videos. And for many people, it feels almost magical. Type a question. Wait a few seconds. Get an answer that would have taken hours to find just a few years ago. But here's the uncomfortable truth. This level of intelligence isn't free. Someone is paying for every single prompt you send. And eventually, that bill has to be paid. Today, we're going to uncover the hidden economics of AI, why companies are willing to give away incredibly powerful technology today, why that strategy probably won't last forever, and what the future of AI pricing could look like. Because the biggest question isn't whether AI will cost money, it's who will end up paying for it. Chapter 1. The illusion of free AI. Let's start with something simple. When you use an AI chatbot, it feels free. You open an app, ask a question, get an answer, close the app. Nothing leaves your wallet. But behind that simple conversation is an enormous amount of computing power. Unlike a traditional search engine that mostly retrieves existing information, modern AI generates new responses every time you ask something. That means thousands of specialized processors are working together in real time. Every response requires expensive hardware, powerful graphics processors, high-speed networking, cooling systems, storage, electricity, and engineers who constantly improve the system. Every prompt has a real operating cost. Multiply that by hundreds of millions of users asking dozens of questions every day, and the numbers become enormous. AI may look free from the outside, but it is one of the most expensive internet services ever created. Chapter 2. Why companies are giving it away. If AI is so expensive, why are companies offering free versions? The answer is surprisingly simple: growth. History has shown that the company with the largest user base often becomes the market leader. Think about social media, streaming services, ride-sharing apps, cloud storage, even online shopping. Many of these companies spent years losing money while focusing on attracting users. Investors accepted those losses because they believed future profits would be much larger. AI companies are following a very similar strategy. The more people use their models, the more data they gather about how people interact with AI, the more feedback they receive, the faster they can improve their products, the larger their ecosystem becomes. Today's free users could become tomorrow's paying customers. In many ways, free AI is an investment, not a permanent business model. Chapter 3. AI is incredibly expensive to build. Most people underestimate what it takes to create an advanced AI model. Before anyone can even ask a question, the model must first be trained. Training a frontier AI model involves processing unimaginably large datasets using enormous clusters of advanced computer chips over extended periods. Then comes testing, safety evaluations, fine-tuning, infrastructure upgrades, security, software development, research teams, customer support. And after launch, the costs don't stop. The model continues running every second of every day, serving millions of users around the world, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Imagine operating one of the world's largest power-hungry computer systems and allowing millions of people to use it for free. That's not sustainable forever. Chapter 4. The business models of AI. So, how do companies eventually make money? There are several possibilities. The first is subscriptions. This is already happening. Basic AI remains free. Advanced models require a monthly payment. The second is enterprise services. Businesses are often willing to pay significantly more for secure AI tools, custom integrations, and reliable performance. The third is API access. Developers pay every time their applications use an AI model. This allows companies to monetize AI indirectly through other software. Another possibility is advertising. While many users dislike ads, advertising has funded much of the modern internet. Some AI products may eventually experiment with sponsored recommendations or ad-supported experiences. And finally, premium features, faster responses, longer memory, better reasoning, advanced image generation, video creation, research capabilities. These premium features create incentives for users to upgrade. Chapter 5. History repeats itself. If all of this sounds familiar, that's because we've seen it before. Streaming services entered the market with low prices. Over time, prices increased. Exclusive content moved behind premium subscriptions. Cloud storage once offered generous free plans. Many reduced those limits. Ride-sharing companies initially subsidized rides to attract customers. Eventually, prices rose as the market matured. Even social media changed. Many platforms now offer paid subscriptions for advanced tools and exclusive features. The pattern is remarkably consistent. Launch. Grow quickly. Build a loyal audience. Then gradually introduce stronger monetization. AI may simply be following the same economic playbook. Chapter 6. Will free AI disappear? Probably not. Free AI is likely to remain available, but expectations may need to change. Instead of disappearing completely, free versions may become more limited. Slower responses, lower daily usage limits, smaller context windows, access only to older models. Meanwhile, subscribers gain access to the latest breakthroughs, the smartest reasoning, better creativity, faster performance, higher limits, and more specialized capabilities. In other words, the gap between free and paid AI may continue to grow. Chapter 7. The real hidden cost. Here's where things become even more interesting. Money isn't the only way companies can recover costs. Some services may rely on advertising. Others focus on business customers. Some may offer premium subscriptions. Different companies will choose different approaches. For users, that means thinking carefully about the trade-offs. Is a free service supported by ads acceptable? Would you rather pay a subscription for additional features? How much value does advanced AI bring to your daily life? The answer will be different for everyone. Conclusion: AI is transforming education, business, medicine, programming, creativity, and countless other industries. But behind every impressive answer is an expensive infrastructure that has to be funded somehow. The era of completely free AI may not last forever. Instead, we're likely to see a future where basic AI remains widely available, while the most capable tools become premium products for those who need them. The technology isn't becoming less valuable, it's becoming more valuable. And as that value grows, so does the cost of building and operating it. The question isn't whether AI has a price. It always has. The only question is, who ends up paying it? If you enjoyed this video and want more deep dives into the future of AI, technology, and the digital economy, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.